Alright, welcome back to this last video in the series on channel breakouts. And in this video we're going to take a look at measured objectives. And the way you measure out an objective for a channel break is by taking the preceding move before the channel and projecting that to a future point in the market. So here we have an ascending channel which formed after an extended move down of 400 pips. And as you'll notice, the market then began moving into this consolidation pattern before it broke to the downside for an additional 400 pips. So the measured objective here is by taking the swing high up here before the channel started and measuring to channel support, and then once the market breaks channel support here, we can then take this swing high, which is the last high within this channel, and project 400 pips lower in the market, and that gives us an idea of where to look for a target. So let's take a look at one example on the British Pound New Zealand Dollar 4-hour chart. Alright, so here we have the British Pound New Zealand Dollar 4-hour chart, and if you'll notice, just like the illustration we just looked at, we had the market make an extended move down before it started forming this channel. And so what we want to do is take the move from this swing high down to the first support area within the channel, take a measurement of that area, and then once the market had broken channel support here, we could then project a future point in the market to come up with a target. So let's go ahead and measure out that first move before the channel actually started. So from this swing high down to this support level, it's about 1,070 pips. So once the market broke right here, we could then take from this swing high, the last swing high within this channel, and project 1,070 pips lower. So let's go ahead and do that. So from this swing high, if we measure out 1,070 pips, we get a level right here. So this is where we would actually want to target on a short entry from this breakout up here. So as soon as the market broke out up here, we could set a target at 1,070 pips lower. And the same would apply for a descending channel. So if we had a descending channel where the market had made an extended move up and then started consolidating and eventually broke to the upside, we could take a measurement of this extended move up, let's call it 100 pips, and once the channel broke out to the upside, we could then measure an additional 100 pips from the last channel support right here. Alright, so a measured objective just gives you a way to identify a possible target once a channel breaks.